Chuckster22 here. I'm here at Bayside Marina, New Providence Island, Nassau, Bahamas. About ready to go on the boat with the fam. Right over there's the boat. And I just wanted to take all of this in. But can't keep my captain waiting, so I better get off here and hop on the boat. Right over here. Alright guys, we are on the boat. We made it. And I'm just filming while we're leaving our docks here. And for once, I don't have to do any of the docking, navigating, anything. I got a captain here, he's doing the boating for us here, which is awesome. Check, there's our dock. We just pulled out. Did a really kick-ass job on that. There you go. What's the name of this boat, Captain?
This is Tevaughn Adventures.
What was it?
Tevaughn Adventures.
Tevaughn Adventures.
Tevaughn Adventures.
Nice. So there we go. Off we go. So, you know me, man. Chuckster22. I go anywhere where there's a body of water. I'm going for a boat. And baby, we are on a boat. So, I'm gonna enjoy this ride out the marina. Obviously, they don't have any no-wake zones here, so that's good to go for me. Check it out, check it out. That's cool, that's cool. There it is. And Chuck22 out.
Welcome guys to the Bahamas. Where you guys from?
Gilligan.
Cleveland. Okay, great stuff. Ohio. Okay, welcome to the Bahamas, guys. I would like to start it by asking that everybody's good. We have more than sufficient hijacking in this department if need be. Tourism is our #1 industry, next to banking and fisheries, okay? We do have one of the biggest tourist spots in the world. You'll see a tower on top of the hill. That also is an area where it is known as the Queen's Staircase. And also that is Fort Penn Castle. It's a great fort there also. That water tower was once the black triangle represents the strength of the people progressing to the west of the land and the sea. When we say the land and the sea, you have the aquamarine blue to the bottom, that means the sea. That means our rich resource in fisheries. The land is basically the beautiful landscape of the beach. Okay? We'll print out a few houses on the side and who it belongs to. Alright?
That is all like the transport and the
You said that there's a transport since the Marines are here.
Nice.
It's more like a military or like say, it's more like a coast guard. I feel like it's more like a coast guard. Hold on, 1 second, one second, guys. Let me go follow this.
Look back for a second. Look back for a second.
Ken Schultz.
my blanket, please.
Come here, Mama.
Come around.
Oh, here's the pig first.
To the pigs. And there they are.
Oh, I should have brought my GoPro. I didn't even think of that. I haven't used it in.
I get to do my own Bay of Pigs invasion right here. Go Buckeyes! Alright guys, just got done feeding the pigs here in the Bahamas, and now we're just up for a little fun boat ride in the middle of the Caribbean. Just want to show you some of this stuff behind me over here. It is pretty cool. I want to get you a front view of it too. Just had to get my head out of the ring. My family, our crew.
So let him do his GoPro on Gilligan's Island with the sandy beach. Let's let him first tell him the Gilligan's Island right on the left coming up.
And now we're going to Gilligan's Island on a 3-hour tour. Alright guys, we are about to pass the infamous Gilligan's Island on a 3-hour tour. I asked the captain if we're going to get straight there. He said no, we good. So we good. Church 22, Gilligan's Island behind me. We just went past it. And that's all good here in the Bahamas, man. Never knew that Gilligan's Island was part of the Bahamas. That's pretty wild. There it is. Gilligan's Island. I asked the captain if we're going to get straight there. He said no, we good. So we good.
He's a good YouTuber. You need to go out there.
I just had to film this water, actually. It's so darn full. Look how full that water is. Wait!
Every minute or two, take a look at the boat and the instructions, but obviously coming in or whatever the case is. But remember, this is not a pool, it's not a bathtub.
Right.
This is open water. Just so you know that. And like I said, we're going to start from here. If anybody wants a life jacket, feel free to let me know now. I'll give you a life jacket.
Alright guys, we're here at Turtle Island. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. But and the reason why I'm calling it that, because there's turtles here. So I think Lena and Tim might go snorkeling. I might, I don't know. but I just want to film everything.
He's gonna bite you next.
Of course, we had a whole bunch of turtles earlier. As soon as I got my camera out, there's no more turtles.
Everybody getting in, right? Okay, guys.
You're not?
Guys, if you're not.
I know.
One right down to the bottom here.
Where did, oh. He didn't come up though. He disappeared. Going down there. Towards the front of the boat now.
Film back on, and he just left. Film off.
Mommy's little girlie.
Tim found the turtle.
Tim went right up
Tim
to
found
the
one.
turtle.
That turtle's trying to get away from Tim. I don't blame him. He gone.
That was cool.
All right, so you see the kids are off the boat in the water. Looks like Lemma and I might be staying in. Easier to film from up here. And I just got my toe stepped on. Thank you for that.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, he gone. Away from Tim. I don't blame him. He gone.
That was cool.
All right, so you see the kids are off the boat in the water. Looks like Lemma and I might be staying in. Easier to film from up here. And I just got my toe stepped on. Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah, the turtle.
Yeah, that's it.
Why would you touch it?
I don't see the break skin anymore, but I do see that there's like a welt.
At least it's not bleeding.
But he didn't break skin, not in a bad way.
He wasn't really trying to hurt me. He was very, he got agitated.
Yeah, he's just trying to catch on things.
Right.
Those kids were like crawling up on the pigs. So.
No, they weren't
That
just,
pissed me off too.
Yeah, yeah,
they weren't just crowding up. They were
She said they just came
going
off the
like
boat.
this.
yeah.
They
I
were
gotta
like
say,
teasing.
especially them. My man was making a point to stay away from the crowd of people. 'Cause, like I realized that where those people are all just congested, that's where you're gonna have problems at.
It's the kids.
That GPS off.